Welcome back, and welcome to anyone new to my channel. My name is Mochi. I'm a digital artist here on YouTube who likes to do drawing series, illustrations, and so much more. If you haven't already, please go watch part 1 and 2 for more insight on the series and background of Alice in Wonderland. So today I'm working on the Cheshire Cat. I started to work on the background a little bit, sketching on an idea for the rest of this illustration. If you didn't watch part two, I talked about the background of Alice in Wonderland and other spin offs such as video games as well. Alice in Wonderland was made in 1951, and I'm using the film as reference to stay true with the original colors. What is the Cheshire Cat's importance? In the film, he is seen resting on a tree grinning. He is seen as Alice's spirit guide, directing Alice towards the Mad Hatter's tea party. This is also another reason why I included a tag hanging from his leg reading Tea Time on it. He gives her a unique perspective on the world of Wonderland. The Cheshire appears several times throughout the film. He's also greatly known for disappearing and reappearing, as well as his sharp, on point grin. I did want to keep this kind of simple, like the original colors from the film. Except instead of so bright, I toned down the colors to match my art style alongside the other things that I drew, such as the white rabbit or the caterpillar. Who voiced the Cheshire Cat in the 1951 film? Sterling Holloway was an American actor who appeared in over 100 films and even 40 television shows. He was born January 14th, 1905 in Georgia and passed November 22nd, 1992. Some other movies he voiced in were Bambi, 1942, and The Aristocats, 1970. thank you for watching, and I hope you all enjoyed the video. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe.